Hey guys, it is Danner. Today I'm going to play Flappybird. Let's do this. Jump, tap, jump, jump. Yay! Jump, jump, come on. Yay! Jump, come on, jump more. Jump. Woo! Jump, jump. Let's make it to 20. I hope what's the world record. No! We got 16, but we got a bronze medal. Oh, what? I just got one. That stinks. Oh, yeah, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, we only get 7. Let's try to get to 20. Oh no! We just got 1. I'm so noob. Once more. We got 2. We got 4. Oh no! Well, let's try it again. Our goal was 20. Oh no, I got 10. We'll continue this later.